devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Call
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little goodie box. Performance development disc brakes. Gonna put this thing on. Check out the packaging. Comes with instructions, all the bolts you need, everything. Let's see here. Let's see, rubber bushings. Not really sure what that is. But man, this is some good quality stuff, it looks like. $300 from Performance Development. It's supposed to help your car with wheel hop and stuff like that. Not really sure it's going to help with the spinning. It don't really claim that it does anything like that. But should help with a little bit of wheel hop, and maybe I won't break my damn diff. So that's what I'm hoping for, but we're gonna get this thing opened up and we'll see. Oh wow, they was not lying whenever they said it's actually color matched to my car. That's pretty sweet. Not gonna lie, that is some good quality stuff, it feels like. Let's figure out where all this stuff goes, and we'll get down there and try to get an install video for y'all. Alright guys, we under here. It's a tight fit, but it's like we're gonna need a 12mm for the lower case bolt. Yep. And we're gonna need a 16mm for these uppers. Yep, perfect. Try to get these things off. I'm gonna move the camera kind of out of the way. Maybe y'all can still see. Alright, let's see. Let's look at the directions since I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, looks like this is how everything's gonna come. You got your Loctite, your bolts. Alright, we'll loosen this bolt. It's the lowercase bolt. And there's another one over here. And you got one here and here. And that's all you're gonna do on the diff. Says don't leave these bolts out right here for no longer than 30 minutes, so maybe nothing will leak out of them. This is your drain plug right here and there. Set that over there and get this other one. Wish I had a better viewing angle for you guys, but unfortunately we're doing this on the garage floor. We ain't fancy, we ain't got no lift or nothing, so. Set that off to the side. Looks like now we gotta do the top. Alright guys, one thing you're going to have to know, you can either drill these out right here. This is your cradle. See, mine is an early model 16, and these little bolts right here where it actually mounts your diff. There's nothing here from the factory, but they have little threads in mine, so I won't need to drill it out. You actually can, it's probably better. It comes with little lock washers that go inside here. But mine came with threads, but that's something you want to check to make sure. Say if yours is a 2015, you ain't got no issue, but 2016 and up, you need to check. All right, looks like we gotta come back to this. I got all the 4 bolts in. Looks like we gotta come back to this, and looks like on the bottom we're gonna have this, then a rubber bushing, then the diff brace, and then above the diff brace we'll put this. So get in there and see what that looks like. All right, looks like, let's see here. Put that one there, and we're gonna have that like that. Now we just gotta tighten it up. All right, guys, done with the install. Got these new Hoosiers. That's why I put the diff brace on to begin with, because I know I'm gonna either break something. I'm gonna break my drive shaft, diff, or something. We'll find out what it is whenever we get to the track, I guess. But I got it all installed. It looks good. Not really sure how I feel about the rubber bushings and all that stuff, but I guess time will tell and see how it holds up. Don't really need a jack, but I'd probably recommend getting some of them ramps that you can drive up onto and just back up onto it. Simply for the fact that your torque wrench really needs a lot of room in there. So yeah, I was lucky enough to have a smaller one. So, but that's it for the install, guys. I'm gonna try to get this thing washed up, I guess, and go out and play around a little bit and try it out. All right, guys, we in the car now, and I can tell you right now, this thing feels a lot more planted. Kind of feels a little funny on slicks because it's stiff, and yeah, definitely feels a lot more planted. I will say this, you'll probably feel a little bit more bumps, but you won't break your diff, hopefully. Maybe not. I'm gonna kind of see how it does whenever I stall up a little bit, because that was one of my main problems. Every time I went to go stall up, it would just immediately start spinning. Oh yeah, that definitely feels better. I can't get too crazy because I'm right next to houses and everything like that. But the road is a little damp, so yeah, she's probably gonna hook now. We'll see. It definitely feels a lot more planted. I really like that. But we'll get back to y'all on the next one, guys. Have a good one.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer.